Good day, everyone. Our topic for today is all about solving the present value of deferred annuity, Part 2. Last time, in Part 1, we talked about how to find decay, or the period of deferred. Now, we will solve some problems regarding present value of deferred annuity. In order to do this, we need the formula. The formula is P equals R, quantity 1 minus 1 plus j raised to negative k plus n over j minus r quantity 1 minus quantity 1 plus j raised to negative k over j. So again, huwag tayong papasindak sa formula kasi madali lang ang topic natin. Where n equals empty, which is the total number of conversion period. J equals I over m, which is the rate per conversion period. Given the following, R, which is the periodic payment, I is the nominal rate, M is a frequency conversion, and T is the time in years. But now we have K, which is the period of the deferred, or the number of conversion in a deferral. So let's have an example. Marielle purchased a smart television set through the credit cooperative of their company. The cooperative provides an option for a deferred payment. Marielle decided to pay after 2 months of purchase. Her monthly payment is computed as 3,800 payable in 12 months. How much is the cash value of the television set if the interest rate is 12% convertible monthly? Let's have first the given. For the R, we have 3,800. Kasi payable daw siya in 3,800. The I is 12% or 0.12. Kung natatandaan nyo itong given, ito yung binigay ko sa una. Okay? Susundin mo lang yung given. For the M, which is 12. Why 12? Because it is convertible, sabi niya, payable to 12 months. Mean to say, monthly mo siyang babayaran. Okay? Monthly siya. Monthly siyang babayaran ni Mariel. T is 1 because we only have 12 months. That's equal to 1 year. And remember that in T, we will express it in years, hindi pwede in months. So we have 1. M is 12 because it is monthly. Monthly siyang magbabayad. Now, for the K, we have 1. Again, paano naging 1? Sabi dito, Marielle decided to pay, eto siya. Marielle decided to pay after 2 months of purchase. Kung babalikan mo yung first video natin, sabi ko doon, mag-start lang siya after ng period na sinabi. So, halimbawa, kung 8 months, after 8 months, doon ko siya babayaran. So, mag-i-start tayo ng 0, magbibilang ka ng 8. So, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, ibig sabihin, the period of deferral natin is 7 months. For this, we have 2 months. So, mag-i-start ka ng 0, 1. Or short, magma-minus ka lang 1 month lang. Okay? So, K equals 1. Ibig sabihin, meron kang isang buwan na palugit bago mo siya bayaran. Parang ganun siya. Kung i-explain natin siya into a layman's term, parang meron kang isang buwan na pagitan bago mo bayaran yung utang mo. Parang ganun siya. So, 1 month. For the N equals empty. That is M, 12, and T is 1. So, we have 12. For J, I over M, I is 0.12 and M equals 12. So that is equal to 0.01. Now, we can solve. So we have this formula and we will put the given in the formula. Okay? So here it is. 3,800 yung na-compute natin kanina. Ay, yung ating periodic payment. And then 0.01 ng ating J, kung natandaan nyo. And for the this is N, 12, and the K is 1. Pinagbaliktad ko lang. Pwede naman. And for the K, we have 1. Alright? So, on your calculator, so ang unang lang gagawin natin ay ganito. Ito-type mo lang siya sa iyong cellphone. Kung cellphone lang ang gamit mo. 1, sige, pag-type, minus open parenthesis, 1 plus 0.01, close parenthesis, then click the raise to. Parang exponential, ano siya, ang tawag doon, exponential form, exponential symbol, ever, na x raised to n, may ganyan, or x raised to box, or x raised to y. May mga ganun kasi sa cellphone. Okay, so tignan nyo na lang doon, and then, click negative, open parenthesis, 12 plus 1, close parenthesis, click equals, nasundan ba? Then divide to 0.01. Then click equals again. Then your answer will be multiplied to 3,800. Okay, so you will get 46,108.21. Round off your answer to the nearest hundredths. For the next one, just write naked minus, and then, on your calculator, click 1 minus open parenthesis, 1 plus 0.01, close parenthesis, raised to negative 1. Kahit wala na yung open and close kasi wala naman siyang ibang numbers. Okay? Negative 1. Then click equals. And then your answer will be divided to 0.01. Then again, click equals. Then multiply your answer to 3,800 and you will get 3,762.38. Again, your answer should be round up to nearest hundredths or 2 decimal places. After that, subtract the 2 and you will get 42,345.83. That is the cash price or the cash value of the TV set. Okay? Now let's have the second example. Mr. Quijano decided to sell their farm and to deposit the fund in a bank. After computing the interest, they learned that they may withdraw 480,000 yearly for 8 years, starting at the end of 6 years when it is time for him to retire. How much is the fund deposited if the interest rate is 5% converted annually? So, ang tinatanong is magkano daw yung dineposit ni Mr. Quijano sa bangko? Kasi galing yung perang yun sa binenta nilang farm. Okay? So, pwede nilang ma-withdraw every year, if I'm not mistaken. That's equal to 480,000 yearly for 8 years, starting at the end of 6 years pa lang. Okay? Ibig sabihin, for 8 years, yun yung pwede nilang makuha. Ngayon, mag-start pa lang yung pagkukuha nila at the end of 6 years. So, ang I natin is 5%, obviously. That's the rate, 0.05. M equals 1 because that's annually, converted annually. T is equal to 8 years. Okay? And K equals 5. Again, we will count 6 numbers on our, sa kamay natin, di ba? So, we will start at 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So, we have 5 period of deferral. For the N is empty. That's equal to 8. For the J, 0.05 divide 1, and that is equal to 0.05. Now, let's put it in the formula. So, we have this. Okay. Now, first, on your calculator, cellphone lang ang gamit mo? No problem. Just follow me. 1 minus open parenthesis, 1 plus 0.05, close parenthesis, raised to negative, open parenthesis, 8 plus 5, close parenthesis, and click equals. Your answer will be divided to 0.05, click equals. Multiply your answer to 480,000, click equals. So you will get 4,508,915.03. Round off your answer to nearest hundredths or 2 decimal places. Next, copy minus sign. Then, on your calculator again, 1 minus open parenthesis 1 plus 0.05 close parenthesis raised to negative 5. Click equals, divide 0.05, click equals, multiply to 480,000, click equals, and you will get 2,078,148.80. Round off your answer to the nearest hundreds or two decimal places. And then subtract your the two answers. So you will get 2,430,766.23. Yun ang kanilang dineposit sa bangko. Okay? Na makukuha nilang 480,000 yearly at the end of 6 years. Alright? So that's all about the part 2 of our discussion regarding solving problems within about present value of deferred annuity. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to click the bell button for more updates. And also, in this YouTube video, you will find different subjects such as general mathematics, practical research, advanced statistics, mathematics in the modern world, and basic calculus. You will see it in the playlist button of this YouTube channel. Thank you very much, and goodbye everyone.